favorite plugins that I use. And they're really helpful to me. So the first one that I want to kind of talk about is this one-click plugin updater. And in order to add these, all you'd click is add new. There's a search box, and then you can type in one-click plugin updater right there. No two plugins are named the same, so like you're going to be able to find this correctly if it still exists. But every time that some of these plugins need to be updated, and you'll understand that like they're going to need to be upgraded, this line up here says that it needs to be upgraded. And if there are a bunch of them, all you have to do is click it once. So this is the tweet name retweet button. So I can click on upgrade automatically, and all of a sudden it's just going to be updated, and you don't have to worry about clicking around or doing anything crazy. All right, so one-click plugin updater, that's what it does. This right here, second most important, Akismat, all you have to do in order to register this, so this comes automatically with your WordPress. So you just press activate. It's going to ask you for an API code, but all you do is go to akismet.com, and it's going to, you don't have to download it. You can click this free API keys, put your email address in here, okay? And then it will email you your API key for free, and it will keep spam comments from happening. Love this, like you really can't beat that when it comes down to keeping an eye on your spam. Okay, now some of these, like Events Manager, that's if you're going to be creating events and having a calendar. Extreme SEO, I like this. It makes sure that no spammy posts are allowed. There do follow links. You'll actually get better inbound links using this plugin. One-click plugin, love it. Page links too, so you can actually take your pages and link them to, say, when you went to x10i.com and you saw the web hosting, there's actually a page at the top that lets you click, like the web hosting right there. So if you click on hosting and domain registration, that's not a page that I'm hosting. It's actually going to bring you to my shopping cart, my securepaynet.net shopping cart, and you can put any page there that you'd like. SEO slugs, it just removes common words. Smart links, it provides SEO benefits for your site. Like, this is so that it's like a no-brainer for you. You really don't need to worry about creating your own SEO links. It does it for you. Some people want to subscribe to your comments, so this right here is a great plugin to have. The subscribe widget, it's so that you can actually put that in the sidebar, so that if people don't want to subscribe via FeedBurner and they want to subscribe a different way, they can actually put their email address in there. Thank me later, it's going to email them after they submit a comment, like a couple days later. This right here, the tweet name retweet button, if you actually look here, you see how it says one retweet? That just puts that button on any single post that you write. So if you want people to actually care about your post and talk to their friends, then you can actually throw that there, and I love that plugin. And then when you import from another WordPress blog, if you do have a WordPress.com blog, you can use this WordPress importer. All right, so say you have another blog and you want to import all of your old, posts into WordPress. First of all, you're going to have to figure out how to export your blog from the first one, whether it be Blogger or WordPress or wherever. And then you could go over here under Tools and click on Import. All right, so Blogger, blog roll, categories, live journal, movable type, typepad, some other RSS, and WordPress. So if you want to import from like another WordPress blog or a Blogger blog, so if I want to click on Blogger, first of all, you're going to have to install the importer. Okay, so I'm just going to click on install now. It's just like another plugin. You know, it's nothing heavy that's going to weigh down your site. But then you're going to click on activate plugin and run importer. So every time that you download a plugin, you're actually going to have to click on activate plugin. Now, I don't have, well, I do have an old Blogspot blog, but you'd want to authorize it. You'd want it to just kind of bring over all of your blog stuff in order to kind of go forward with this. So then you'd import the blog, and then you'd play around with the posts, and you can tag them if you haven't tagged them before. So say I've done all this, I've imported all my posts. I can actually look at my posts. All right. And you can quickly edit these if you click on quick edit. And you can change the categories. So categories are under here as well. It's under the posts. And you can put as many categories as you'd like. And then you can put post tags, and I want to say like Mashable, because I'm having an internetworking event next week and over the next couple of months. Mashable, internetworking, networking, you know, like whatever tags you want to use. And then you can actually update them. You can backdate your blog posts as well if they're all around the same time, because Google really likes to crawl, you know, the legacy of your blog. It's fine if it's top heavy, but I mean, I like to say, okay, well, my blog's been in existence for 2 years, when really it may have been in existence for 2 months.